Morning, guys. Hey, I can see that the light coming in the window is kind of going to make things really difficult today. I'll move it over here a little bit. See if I can't change that. I probably should have done that before I started. Anyways, I just want to get back to you guys. And I appreciate everybody responding yesterday. Um, and that was kind of awesome. Our first day on remote learning. Uh, Kind of cool. You guys, you have no idea how awesome this is. We're one of the first and only school districts that are one to one and have the ability to be doing this. So we're kind of trendsetters. Let's keep it up. Let's show everybody how to get it done. Let's go back to yesterday's problem. Which number does not belong? Um, and the first one that I think a lot of people and most people said right here is 9x cubed doesn't belong. Why? Because it is the only one that has an x to the third power. Okay, all of the rest of them have powers of 2, so that one doesn't belong. Some people said this one doesn't belong because it is a prime number. 3 is a prime. You can't factor it into any other numbers. This one you can write as 3 times 3. This one you can write as 9 times 5. This one you can write as 3 times 3 times 3. 3 to the third power. That is 27. This one is 3 to the second power, 9. This one is 3 to the second power, 9, times 5. So these all have other factors. This one does not. So it doesn't belong. If you haven't turned anything else in, if you haven't turned anything in, go ahead and do that today. If you have something different, I want to hear from all of you and make sure that everybody's up and running. So I'll give me something back today, so I know that everybody's on and understanding how things are going to go. Tomorrow will be our first lesson, which I've already uploaded to YouTube. It's coming straight from your book. It's only going to be half of it, and then we'll do the other half on Thursday. But you'll have an assignment, short 3 or 4 problem assignment, and then turn it in the same way that you turned these in yesterday for the what number does not belong. But I wanted to change some things in our thinking right now. And really, a lot of us were thinking that we were cubing the 9, but it's really not really what is being said here. It's really being said 9 times x times x times x. The only thing being cubed is the x. And when we have an exponent of 3, it means we're taking the base number x and multiplying it by itself 3 different times. So what would 3x squared look like? 3x squared would be looking like this. You're taking the base x, multiplying it by itself twice. You're taking the base x and multiplying it by itself 3 times. If we were taking all of that to the third power, that would look something different. What do you think 9x to the third power would look like? You have to put it in parentheses to show that you're cubing or to the third power everything inside that parentheses. That would look like this. You're taking the base, whatever it is, and multiplying it by itself 3 different times. That's not what it's saying up here. Okay? So I'm going to erase that. This 9x to the third power is saying 9 times x to the third, which is 9 times x times x times x. Okay? So again, look forward to getting something from me tomorrow. It'll probably be showing up about the same time as you're getting this today. Okay? So if you haven't responded, please respond so I make sure everybody's up and running. All right. See you guys tomorrow morning, bright and early. Bye.